What a mess. An old plastic gear that breaks. I'd say she's got some miles on her. I bet she didn't hold time very well. Oh, goodness, I get all the fun stuff. Oh, goodness. It's a surprise. That's pretty gross. Smells good too. Alright, well, I think I'm going to put some gloves on before I handle that stuff. So what we have here is an Oldsmobile 455 block, and that's all we care about is the block. We are getting new pistons, new rods. We have brand new Edelbrock heads, new roller rockers. We will determine the push rods when we are going back together. Intake, new oil pan, basically new everything except for the block. So we're gonna get this thing stripped down. Hopefully I can get the pistons out of it, and then get it over to Uncle Bob, and he can work his magic on the block. I can get a bigger impact. Bird's nest. Oh, it's brand new. Got it. Oh boy, I soaked this thing down for a couple days too. It's not looking good. Gonna make me work for it. Looks like standard crank bearings. Hit it with your purse. Get a bigger purse. Oh, broke the piston. I think there's going to be a lot of that going on. Shoot. This is going to be a long day. Request people take these apart before they bring them to me in the future. Oldsmobile caps are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, and then obviously the rear cap is unique, and you can't put it on wrong. Let's see if box. Let those drain. That one's out.
That's good on the ring land.
That's really good on the ring land.
It looked like it was blowed up before.
It'll be fine.
Did it look like it was blowed up and then
No, I mean it's.
took it apart and let it sit?
Somebody took it apart and it's been sitting ever since, so
Yeah, I seen
it doesn't do good for him.
got all new crank and everything, so he'll be okay.
Yeah, new crank. We're gonna do new pistons, new rods, everything. Two for two. Garbage. Ooh, making me work for this today. I win. I gotta get that piston out. Gross. What a mess. She's had some wear on her. Lobe's missing. That lobe's almost not really there. She junk. Okay, one more. One loss. I win. Alright. That wraps up engine disassembly 101. Big hammer, long punches to the rescue. I worked up a sweat on that. Alright, well, we have the basis for our build. Send this over to Bob McVeigh and he can work his magic on the block. And we'll start putting this thing back together. So hopefully that won't be too long of a wait. But we'll see. Sheet shop's busy these days. It's race car season after all. At any rate, thanks for watching. Click like, subscribe, leave us a comment below. What's your favorite engine? I do like Oldsmobiles. I should probably put mine back together. Alright, let's clean this mess up. Have a great day.